Welcome to our channel. If you've been charged unfair ATM or debit fees, follow these step-by-step instructions to get refunds from your bank. Step 1. Call your bank's customer service department as soon as you notice the fees. The sooner you address charges, the better your chances of getting refunds. Step 2. Be polite but firm when explaining why the fees are unfair. Remain calm and professional, as customer service representatives are more likely to help pleasant customers. Step 3. Explain any extenuating circumstances that led to the fees. If you were traveling, had an emergency, or faced unusual circumstances, banks may waive fees as a courtesy. Step 4. Emphasize your history as a loyal customer if applicable. Mention how long you've banked with them and your consistent account management to leverage goodwill. Step 5. Ask specifically for a one-time courtesy refund. Banks often have policies allowing representatives to refund fees occasionally for good customers. Step 6. Reference competitor banks that don't charge similar fees. Mention you're considering switching to banks with better fee policies unless they can help you. Step 7. Request to speak with a supervisor if the first representative can't help. Managers typically have more authority to issue refunds and may be more willing to retain customers. Step 8. Consider changing to a different account type with lower fees. Ask about accounts that refund ATM fees or offer free debit card usage as alternatives to repeated fee disputes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.